Hello YouTubers, welcome to another episode of my video. In today's video we'll be unboxing the Surface Pro X, the keyboard, the docking station which is the dock 2, and the headphones too. Okay, let's start by unboxing the Microsoft Surface Pro X. So in this video, all we're doing is basically having a look at the items themselves and seeing exactly what they look like. So we'll put that to the side. So here you go. This is the Surface Pro X, and this is a 13-inch display screen. Basically, it's, let me see, let's have a look. Yep, here you go. This is what it looks like. To the side, you've got two, I don't know if you can see that clearly, two USB-C, so one here, one here. You've got the volume key on this side. On the opposite side, you have your docking station cable, and you have, sorry about that, and you have your power button. It's a nice and sleek design, and to the back as well you've got your Microsoft logo, and you've got your tilt that allows you to tilt your Surface Pro at any level you want. So if we do that, you can basically tilt as low as you want or as high as you want to any of your desired state. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's see. And that's it. I might give you a bonus clip and power this up for the first time. So yeah, if you're looking to get one, this is what you will be getting, the Surface Pro X. Let's move on to the next item on the list, which is the keyboard. Yep, so let's go ahead and open the dock 2. For anyone that already has a dock 2 or is looking to get one, just ensure that you check for compatibility, which obviously with the dock 2 is compatible with the Surface Book 3, the Surface Pro 7, and the Surface Pro X, and also the Surface Laptop 3. So bear that in mind when you're buying one of this. So let's basically have a look at some of the connections. So here you've got your power right here. You've got your 1 gigabit Ethernet, and you have your I think this is your phone, your what's it called, your phone jack, and you have your USB-C that is video display enabled, allows you to be able to connect to your screens. For those of you that have older screens, bear that in mind. You probably would need some form of adapter, which is like USB-C to HDMI or USB-C to DVI. You know, you just have to have a look at your screens before you get one of this. And also you have 2 ports here, which is your USB-A. So yeah, here you go. That's and this cable right here is what connects to your devices, allows you to be able to connect this to your devices. That is to power this docking station up. So let's go ahead and have a look at what's inside, if I've managed to open it. So let's see. this is it, all new, never been opened. So as I said, that is what connects to your device, be it any of the what's it called, any of the Surface Book 3, Pro 7, Pro X or laptop. This is what connects to those devices. Then this is your dock in here. You get the power, the 1 gigabit Ethernet. You got your phone jack or your mic jack, and you have your USB-C for displays, and you have your USB-A. And yeah, this is it. Let's just go ahead and have a look to see exactly what it's like. There you go. Nice and slick and small. And to the back, I believe we have okay, so you have this is the display. This is the USB-C that you'd use for your display towards the back. Yeah, I guess this is just a USB-C. Let me see. They're both USB-C, so I'm guessing you can actually use towards the back or towards the front. But I believe, to be quite honest, I think this is the one that you'd actually use for your displays. So there you go. This is the device. Looks nice and small and compact, so it doesn't fill the desk space. So yeah, this is it. And inside, I think all you get is your instructions, and furthermore, you get your charger. Yeah, that connects. Let's see where that connects to. So I can't see where that connects to at the moment. So let's open the last bit up. And yeah, this is the charger. It does look slightly big, but I guess this doesn't stay on. It doesn't stay on your desktop, so you wouldn't really see much of this. So I believe this goes in here. Let's put that right here, and that goes in here. Can you see that? And here you go. So you basically get 2 devices, one on your desktop, one obviously underneath your desk, and you get that connecting to that to give you power. And that's it. Okay, let's go ahead and have a look at what's inside the box for the headphones too. So again, check compatibility. If you're just getting just this device by itself, make sure it's compatible with any of your devices. So we have a box, or should I say a carrying case, and we have here, I'm not sure, let's have a look. Yeah, so this is just your instructions, and let's see what else is inside. Empty. Okay, so obviously this is your carrying case. I'm not sure what else is inside. I think we're meant to be having a cable. Oh yeah, here you go. So we have, let's put it that way. So this is the headphones 2, which is compatible with Windows 10. It's compatible with Android 4.4 and later, and I believe iOS 9 as well. Yeah, I'm really loving the design. It's a little bit, it looks chunky, but that's what it is. So in here, obviously, you've got your power button, you've got your mute button. You don't have any button on this side, and you've got your volume dial, and you also have this also has noise cancellation as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I believe I need to take that out, yeah, to be able to use it. Nice and chunky. Looking forward to using it. You've got your Microsoft logo right there. Yeah, this is it. Looks nice. And in your carrying case, you have so here you have a USB-C. So you have a USB-A to USB-C, if you can see that. And I think that's the USB-A. And you sorry about that. And you also have your phone jack. There you go. So you have your phone jack right here. And let's see. So your phone jack fits in there. For those of you that have a phone jack in your devices, and your USB-C fits in here. So phone jack in here, USB-C in here, and you've got your other power button, and you've got your other noise cancellation. Yeah, so this is it. This is the device. I love it. Looks good. Look forward to using it.